Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and boy, do I have some deals for you today. We're going to get some free chicken. We're going to get some deals on diapers, baby items. Oh, we are going to save like crazy. And the best thing is that you don't need any coupons for any of these deals. If you have some coupons for the diapers, that's even better. But I don't have any coupons, and you don't need any coupons to take advantage of this deal. So all you need to do is get your phone ready to do some screenshots, take some notes, and get ready to save. Okay guys, so before we even get started, as always, I need you to hit that subscribe button if you are not a subscriber. And if you are a subscriber, or if you haven't subscribed yet, I need you to hit that bell right next to that subscription button. That way you'll get a notification every single time I put up a video, and you won't miss out on any of our deals, and you'll be able to save and stretch your dollar just a little bit longer. And guys, don't be afraid to share this video with your friends, your family. Put it up on your Twitter, your Facebook, your Instagram, all your social media pages. That way we have everyone saving. And don't forget to like the video. That way Facebook will see that this is the type of material that you like, and they will circulate the video even more for people to see. And if you guys plan on going out to do this deal, comment below. Let me know that you're going to do it. Or if you've done it already, let me know how you made out. Or if there's any deals that you want me to do, comment below. Or you can just comment, hello. I love to respond to comments. I love reading the comments. And I love hearing about how everyone is saving. So guys, we're going to jump right into the deal. I don't know if you can tell from my background where I'm at, but I am at Giant Food Stores, and we have some incredible deals that we're going to do. I'm actually the first deal that I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to do that deal, but then the other two deals that I'm going to show you, I'm not going to do, but I want to show you because I think they are good deals just in case you are looking for baby items. So let me turn the camera around and show you exactly what our first deal is going to be. You see it, guys? You see all that chicken? Preferably the Perdue Chicken. We are going to do a deal on Perdue Chicken where you buy one pack, you get another pack free. And then we have an Ibotta rebate to go with it. So let's get started. Okay, so let me show you the deal in the paper. So it is Perdue Chicken, buy one, get one free, but it is not all Perdue Chicken. So you have to be careful and make sure that you get the right one, especially in my store, because my store, the price is not marked, the sale is not marked. So what it is Perdue fresh, boneless, skinless chicken breast. It has to be the thin slice, the diced, or the strips. So you have to get those three, okay? And the prices range per pack anywhere from $4 to $9. So you know me, I'm always going the cheapy route. So I'm going to grab two packs that are $6. And as you can see, I'm getting the chicken breast thin slice. And this pack is $6.41, and it's a little over a pound. And then the second pack I'm going to get is the same thing, chicken breast thin slice, and that one is $6.71, and that is a little over a pound also. So I'm going to end up paying $6.71 for two packs, because you pay for the most expensive one and then you get the cheapest one free. Guys, you can do this deal as many times as you want. There's no limit on it. I didn't read a limit in the newspaper, but these are great packs of chicken that I use them for salads. I use them for soups. I put them on the grill. I put them up in the, fry them up in the frying pan. I was going to say I burn them up in the frying pan. I probably do that too. But I love these for chicken, and for salads and soups and things like that. So I'm going to grab these two. But guys, when I go to the register, I'm going to pay the $6.71. But there is an Ibotta rebate. So make sure you clip this. Okay guys, so there is the Ibotta rebate for you. Make sure you clip it. The rebate is for $1.25. So when you take $1.25 minus $6.71, I'm going to pay $5.46 for 2 packs of boneless, skinless chicken breast. Guys, that is a great deal on meat, especially with the price of meat going up so high with the pandemic and the gas prices and all of that. So this is a really great deal for you to grab for your family. Unfortunately, you can only do this deal one time with the Ibotta rebate, but it's still a good deal without the Ibotta rebate. If you have not downloaded Ibotta, here is my code. Please feel free to use my code. That way we both save and earn extra money from Ibotta. And the first time you scan your first receipt, you get extra bonus money. And the money is real quick. I mean, I always get my Ibotta cash back within 10-15 minutes after I submit my receipt. And then you can have it either put into your PayPal, your checking account, or you can buy a gift card with it. It's totally up to you what you want to do. But let's move on to our next deal. Okay, guys, so our next deal is on the baby products, and it is buy 2 of these products and you save $15. Now, in the ad, it's listed as Luvs, Pampers, and Drift. But when I go around to the signs on the in the store, the Huggies is also included, the pull-ups, as well as the Huggies diapers, the Snug and Dry. But you do have to buy the box products. It is not on the bags. Also, what's included are the Always My Baby diapers. So I'm just showing you guys what all is included. But when you buy 2, you get $15 off. Okay, and then also the Pure Protection Pampers are included. So I'm not going to do this deal, but I at least wanted to show you guys the deal just in case you wanted to do it. I'm not doing it because I don't have any coupons. It's still a good deal if you have a baby and you're trying to save some money on diapers and Pampers and things. I just don't have a reason to spend that much money on diapers and Pampers right now. If I had a baby shower, then I would. But I don't have any baby showers coming up, so I'm going to pass on this deal. Okay, guys, so I'm at the register, and I just want to show you what rang up. So as you can see, there's my first pack of chicken that I rang up for $6.71. There's the second pack for $6.41. You can see that the bonus buy savings came off because it was buy one, get one free. So the $6.41 came off. So I'm just going to pay $6.71, but then I'm going to do my Ibotta rebate. Okay, guys, so I am all finished, and here you can see I have submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got my $1.25 back for the chicken. I told you guys it doesn't take long. It probably took all of 4 minutes, if that, for me to get my rebate back. So that money is in my account, and I only paid $5.46 for 2 packs of chicken breast. So guys, make sure that you go out to Giant and get your deal. The deal's been going on all week. Today is the last day. I don't know if it's extended because I know some of their sales they do for 2 weeks, but because the sign wasn't up, I don't know if it is going on longer than that. But go out and get your chicken, guys. Make sure that you get the Perdue fresh, boneless, skinless chicken breast, thin sliced, diced, or stripped. Make sure that those are the ones you grab, or else they're not buy one, get one free. And if you need Pampers, diapers, or Drift, make sure that you pick that deal up because it is save 15 when you buy 2 products. So guys, that is it for now. I'm going to go ahead and sign out. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment and share this with all your friends and family. And come back and let me know what meals you plan on making with your chicken breast, or the meals that you've already made with your chicken breast. But until the next time, keep on saving.